Meet Gerry. He's a monkey. But he makes more money than 95% of corporate workers in the United States. Just 12 months ago, Gerry was stuck in the brutal 9-to-5 rat race, working his tail off for a boss who didn't care about him, chasing pennies. But then, he discovered a financial loophole, a lazy side hustle that requires zero technical skills, zero upfront investment, and less than 2 hours a day. Today, Gerry makes a consistent $8,500 every single month on complete autopilot. He literally makes money while he sleeps. In this video, I am breaking down Gerry's exact 3-step blueprint so you can stop working like a slave and start earning like Gerry. Pay close attention to step 2 because that's where the real magic happens. See, Gerry realized something that most humans learn too late. You cannot get rich by trading your time for money. If you stop working, the money stops coming. Gerry wanted financial freedom. He wanted a system that worked for him. So, he spent weeks looking for a business model that didn't require a college degree or $10,000 to start. And that's when he stumbled upon the trillion-dollar industry of digital real estate, specifically selling automated digital templates using AI. He noticed that millions of Americans are desperately looking for simple digital tools, like Notion budget planners, fitness trackers, and business templates. And the best part? You only have to create them once, and you can sell them 1,000,000 times. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't know how to design a budget planner or a digital tracker. Well, neither did Gerry. Remember, he's a monkey. So, he used a secret weapon, artificial intelligence. Gerry went to ChatGPT and typed a simple prompt. Create a step-by-step layout for a high-converting financial budget planner. Within 3 seconds, the AI gave him the complete blueprint. He then dragged and dropped that layout into Canva, a free design tool. Total time spent? 20 minutes. Ultimate money tracker. Without writing a single line of code or spending a single dollar, Gerry created a premium digital product that looked like it was designed by a Wall Street professional. This is the exact automation loop that 99% of people are missing out on. Once the product was ready, Gerry needed a place to sell it. He didn't open a physical shop. Instead, he created a free store on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. These platforms already have millions of buyers from the US, UK, and Canada searching for products every single day. He uploaded his digital planner, set the price at $15, and turned on the automatic delivery system. This means when a customer buys the planner, the platform automatically sends them the file, collects the money, and deposits it into Gerry's bank account. Zero human intervention needed. In his first week, Gerry sold 3 planners. Not a lot, right? But then he created 5 more variations: a fitness tracker, a habit journal, and a business invoice template. By month 3, the compounding effect kicked in. He was making over $200 a day on complete autopilot. Today, Gerry's store has generated over $100,000 this year alone. The point of Gerry's story is simple. The internet has leveled the playing field. You don't need money to make money anymore. You just need a system and the willingness to start. A monkey like Gerry can escape the 9-to-5 trap using free AI tools. What is your excuse? I have put the exact prompt Gerry used in the description below. If you want to learn how to find the most profitable digital products to sell right now,
see you there!
don't forget to subscribe for more wealth secrets.
Yes! More wealth secrets coming!